Nightrunner LED shoe lights are a lightweight, unobstructive lighting accessory for walkers, runners, and cyclists. The lightweight design, water-resistant casing, and secure low-profile mounting system allow for hassle-free use in any conditions. Shoe lights offer frontward visibility to forecast terrain up to 30 meters, and side and rear-facing lights to provide visibility to other runners and motorists. The compact lithium-ion rechargeable batteries can provide up to 8 hours of light on a single charge and offer easy and convenient USB charging.
They're easy to turn on, very easy to use. They're lightweight, you don't feel a thing.
You're just in your zone, running by yourself at night. You have those lights, you have yourself, you have your music. Just get lost.
You just go and it just feels like it's part of your shoe.
It helps you see and not fall. It's a great idea.
They are fantastic, so you can see any obstacle, any undulation.
You can really just stay in your head. You're not worried that you're gonna trip. You can just experience the run.
Nightrunner LED shoe lights. See more, do more.
3D printers are either expensive or don't match the quality standards to make the true beauty of your design real. Now there is a solution. Introducing SparkMaker, an affordable desktop SLA 3D printer for everyone. SparkMaker is designed as a plug-and-play, standalone printer. Start printing is super easy. Just download the design file from computer to an SD card. Insert it to SparkMaker with resin filled. Press the button and you are all set. During the printing, an LED light will keep you updated about the status, and a UV protective translucent cover to avoid any damage from the circumstance. The printing area is 102 by 125 millimeters, with a 0.1 millimeter XY resolution and a Z resolution up to 0.02 millimeters. After printing, simply take off the top and grab your finished product. SparkMaker comes with 5 types of resins for different objects you want to create. If you don't want to get messed with the typical resins, we also provide a special resin that can be cleaned by water directly. No matter you are an artist, designer, or hobbyist, you will be able to create high-quality 3D printed objects with SparkMaker.
Our journey started last year, when our dress shirt became the most backed Dutch fashion project in Kickstarter history. Since then, we quit our jobs and went all in on sourcing the greatest cotton technologies. With a mission to make life as easy as possible, without compromising on the quality and design. It took us 1 year to get a t-shirt right, but we're finally ready.
The outside repels liquids and dirt. At the same time, the inside absorbs fluids and wicks away moisture, so your sweat evaporates through the fabric. We also added silver particles to the yarn, so that bacteria is killed before it turns into body odor. Our mill in Portugal only uses 100% soft, long stable cotton. And together with our designer, we use data from 67,000 men to design the perfect fit. To us, it represents the perfect marriage between style and performance. Be free to bike as fast as you want, without worrying about body odor. Present big plans to your team, without worrying about sweat stains. Visible sweat stains become a thing of the past. And when the club is going off on a Tuesday, we guarantee you that this shirt will party harder than you do and still be fresh in the morning.
Being on Kickstarter 1 year ago truly changed our life. Back then we worked from our living room. Now we've sold 5,000 shirts and we have a lovely office in the red light district of Amsterdam. It's time to wash less, buy less and wear more. We are still a young startup and need your help. Please back our campaign today and help us create the most innovative garments in the world.
And like every day, you've been at your screen for like 1,000,000 hours. Your eyes would be tired, but you're wearing your new Seafarer glasses, which block the harmful blue light from your screens. Exposure to blue light can cause eye fatigue, dry eyes, headaches, and blurred vision. Blue light also disrupts the circadian rhythm, which makes it harder to fall asleep and degrades sleep quality. 70% of Americans experience digital eye strain due to prolonged use of electronic devices. At Seafarer, it's our mission to save your eyeballs. And our lenses use proprietary lens technology that filters out bad blue light and lets the rest in, leaving your eyes rested, refreshed, and comfortable after a long day at your screen. Our signature lens is perfect for average use. Our yellow lens is great for sensitive eyes and prolonged screen exposure. Choose from 6 frame styles and your choice of lens. After a long workday at the computer, you're due for a little relaxing. How about some iPad time to wind down? Or maybe you harness your inner gamer. Either way, you've most likely stared at your screen for an average of 7.5 hours a day. And the harmful blue light that comes from your monitors is damaging your eyes. Give your eyeballs a break and grab a pair of Seafarers today.
My name is Dee Silky. I am a Torontonian fashion designer, and right now I'm not in any brick and mortar stores, which means that the bulk of my business is done online. It's so important as an entrepreneur to be able to sell my product in order to make a living, and this product helps me sell my creations and my fashion so much easier. When people are shopping online, especially for clothes, it's hard to imagine what it will look like on a body, especially if you're only getting an angle from the front, side, and back. This product allows you to see fashion from 360 degrees, which is awesome. It's the closest thing to being in a store and having that in-person experience. I am obsessed with this product. I definitely want to use it for as long as I own this business. It looks great on Instagram, Facebook, Shopify, and even email marketing campaigns. Glow 3D photography has been a game changer for my business.
My name is Kid. I'm the owner, operator, and designer of 416 & Company. At 416 & Company, we make Toronto-themed apparel. It's authentic street-born city wear. I like the Glow 3D product. Their tech is pretty cool. It lets me, as an entrepreneur, show my consumers, my customers, all angles of mainly my hats. Right now is what I'm using it for. To date, I've had to post pictures of the front, the side, the back, underneath, and you have to scroll through it all and people don't even do that. So I think it's really neat that you can take your finger and just swipe and see the 360 degrees of the whole thing. That's amazing.